everybody, and welcome to Watching Gadgets Quick Reviews. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you some things about the KW10 ladies smartwatch. What? Right, here we go. I was excited thinking that we was going to add this to the catalog. We ordered this watch to review it, and upon reviewing it, I go ahead and tell you that I give this watch a thumbs down, and I'll explain why in this video. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, and here we go. KW10 ladies watch. The problem that I had with it was with the app. When you go to register free for login successfully, allow. Okay, I'm really surprised that it actually linked up to this phone, because the last time we tried to do this, it would not link. No, I take that back. Okay, I take all this back. For Android phones, it seems to be working. Now, the problem that we had with it was with my girlfriend's phone, which she has an iPhone. The app would not work correctly. When you would go to where it said link up, free, where you didn't have to log in and click it, it would say that there was a system error or some kind of app error. Okay, well, I talked to the Chinese supplier who supplied it to me, and they said to use this app, Wear Health. Let's take a look. Let's go to the Play Store. Wear Health. To use this app for an iPhone. Okay, but what kind of upset me was that in the instructions it says to use link to health. It doesn't say nothing in here about having to use a different app. Nothing about this Wear Health app. Okay, so so everybody's going to order the thing, then they're going to contact somebody and say, oh, we use this different app, it'll work. No, I don't think so. If you're going to spend money for a brand new watch, the app that it's going to be using should be in the instruction book. Okay, you shouldn't have to guess at it. So that's one of the reasons why I don't like this watch. It's probably one of the reasons why we're not going to carry it on the Watching Gadget website. But we're still going to review it to let everybody know in case if you got any questions. Maybe we can answer it here in this video. So now that is out of the way, let's get into some of the functions. Okay, well, let's look. The display, which is a 4.01 inch color touch screen. Okay, so with that being said, let's look at the screen. I really like the screen, and you can change the thumbnail right there. Alright, now I'm going to explain to you guys what the difference between a single touch screen and a swipe screen is. Okay, let's look. Swipe screen, we all know it. It's right here. Just swipe like this, up, down, and then the functions come up. Okay, so that's a swipe screen. Now a touch screen, a single touch screen, is where there's a little area down here at the bottom, and you touch it just like if it was a fit bracelet to cycle through everything. And then if you want to actually get into something, like let's go back to theme, and I'll just pass it up again. Okay, and then you smash and hold it to select it, and then you can cycle through. And let's see, let's go back to look at all this stuff. So for ladies, I would say they would probably like this. My girlfriend did, until it wouldn't connect to her phone. FYI. But anyways, there you go. Okay, now so that is the difference between a swipe screen and a touch screen. A lot of these fit trackers and fit watches and smart watches that you get, the budget ones, the lower cost ones, and even your fit bracelets, they're all the single touch to cycle through things. Okay, and a swipe screen is where you just touch the screen and you swipe through. Alright, so now let's talk about the battery life. This watch hasn't been charged in a week, hasn't really been used much. It's going to last a little while. Alright, and waterproof being IP68, which means it's pretty much life proof. It means you can do anything with it but swim, or just dunk it in water and hold it. You drop it in the toilet, get it out, you're good. You wash your hands, you're good. Drop it in a mud puddle, you're good. You sweating on it, you're good. If it rains on it, you're good. All right, and health tracking. It's the same with any other fitness watch. It's going to do your heart rate, your blood pressure, your oxygen levels. It's going to track your steps. It's going to track your sleep. All that kind of fun stuff it's going to do. But what this watch does, hint, lady smartwatch, is it tracks menstrual cycles. With the app, working with the watch, and then you enter some of your data in there, track your menstrual cycles. It'll let you know the best time to get pregnant. That's the difference between just a regular fit or smartwatch compared to a ladies fit or smartwatch. Other than that, they're pretty much the same in that they look like a ladies watch. Okay, and as always with these watches, you get your messages from your phone, text messages, emails, anything that you set up on the app to push to the watch, it will. Okay, let's dive into the watch and check out some of the functions. Okay, here we go. So touch here, that would be where your messages are at. Long press it to check your heart rate. Let's see how good this gets. That could be right. I did drink an energy drink. Oh Lord, 92. Okay, mine's a little high. And then let's see what else we got. And blood pressure, which I doubt it's gonna get blood pressure from my finger, but we can try it. If it's getting that close with my finger being on the sensor, it's probably pretty good. Let's go ahead and cycle through. Step counter, kilometers, which you can turn that into miles with the app. So if you're able to get the link to help out to work on your device, then you should have no problems with setting it up and getting it to work with miles if you're in the United States, and instead of kilometers, and standard pounds instead of kilograms. But like I say, we couldn't get it to work on an iPhone, not yet. I'm sure they'll fix that problem later, but as of this video, it's not working. Workouts, which will be like, it'll track if you go running, walking, climbing, cycling, swimming, ping pong, play basketball, badminton, football, and then it'll track your sleep, which will be with the app on the phone. So you set it up on the app, got it, heart rate, sleep, there it is up top. No data yet, but that's where it will be. Find my phone, theme, the brightness level, turn it up and down. All right, and that's pretty much it. Now, with the app, it's going to track, your blood pressure, it'll keep data, then your health, the distance you've walked, calories you've burned, and then if you do like specific exercises, like you want to go for a walk or hike or running, it'll track that also. See, the watch is connected. Now right here is where you want to go to get your call reminders. You'll click it on, give access, allow to everything, back up, and set a reminder. You can turn it on or off. See if you got a meditation reminder, drink water reminder, meeting reminder, D&D mode, Dungeon and Dragon. No, I don't know what that means. Lift wrist for bright screen means you just pick your arm up and it cuts on. All-time heart rate monitoring, that's where you'll turn that on. And then update your firmware. Find your device. Okay, notification reminders where you're going to need to go first thing after you get your info in there to go ahead and tell your phone what information to send to your watch or what not to send to your watch, because sometimes that stuff can get aggravating. But if you just want to be on the safe side, turn everything on and you'll get all your notifications from your phone to your watch. Okay, that about wraps it up. Like I say, it's got a good battery in it and it will last a little while. I do believe it'd probably be a good watch if they fix the issues with the app for the iPhones. It seems like with the Samsungs, it's working good. All right, I'd like to remind you guys that we have a Facebook page. Like it and follow it to stay up to date with our giveaways, sales, and promotion. Yeah, we got some giveaways going on, and I can send a link to those up here and down below. And if this video helped you out in any way, please like it and subscribe to the channel to show your support. All your support is very appreciated. If you have any questions or comment about this video, leave them down below. I'll leave my contact information there. I'll leave the Watching Gadget website link down there. And like I say, as of now, Watching Gadget will not be using the KW10 for the reasons that I described in this video. And thank you guys for watching.